All right, what's going on, Tycoon? Super excited for today's video. We are going to be looking at Luna. Okay, so we are looking at the LUNA/USDT pair on TradingView, which is a free platform. Okay, I need to change this back. Sorry. All right, there we go. So what I want to show you guys is if you are bullish on Luna, okay, and most of the time, people watching these crypto videos, they're all bullish. They think everything's going to go to the moon. I'll give you guys some bullish price targets, okay? So the way that I chart things up is I like to have the blue line as my breakout level, all right, and the green lines as my bullish price targets. And these white dotted lines are going to be support and resistance in between my bullish price targets and my breakout levels. And then the yellow line is going to be our base support. Okay. Basically like caution. Okay. So we have caution, we're approaching base support. And then we have, hey, pay attention, we're near breakout level. And then green is bullish price targets, take money, baby, because we making money. All right. So, we have a nice bull flag forming on the daily chart. Okay, and the projected move for this bull flag would take us up to the bullish price target, to our second bullish price target as well, which is nice to see. The main thing we need to do, okay, is we need to hold hold support at 63.49. That's going to be our base support. Okay, so in a sense, what Luna can do, all right, when I say that we need to keep this as base support, okay, Luna can consolidate sideways in between here, okay, and in between here, we can consolidate just like that, and that's fine. That's perfectly okay, all right, because we're staying above our base support level, and all we need to do is break out above the breakout level, which is 78.26, all right? So if you are bullish on Luna, keep an eye on it, all right? And the level that you want to make sure we stay above is going to be 63.49. All right, if we can stay above there, we are bullish, all right? And confirmation of a new bullish cycle, all right? So a lot of things that I tend to get questions on is, well, what's the price target for this cycle? And it's like, well, what cycle do you mean? Do you mean a year-long cycle, a week, a quick cycle trend, some related to news? Okay, so I need you to be a little bit more specific. Okay, if you have some questions on, some price targets or things like that, I'm trying to give you guys price targets in the videos. Okay, bullish price targets and base support levels. And, a few times I'll give you guys bearish price targets. Okay, so I'm not really covering that in this video. I'm just giving over a bull case. Okay, so we need to keep support above 63.49. All right, our current resistance level that we're going to be battling is at $70.55. Okay, so once we get above $70.55, we'll be trading on the upper half. Okay, so this is the lower half. All right, where we're leaning more towards bearishness. All right, so we're bullish overall above 63.49, but below $70.55. We have the possibility of facing resistance and dropping back down and consolidating. Okay, as long as we can hold 63.49 as support. Now above 70.55 is going to be our breakout level at 78.26. Okay, we may see resistance there. We saw resistance 1-2 times already at 78.26 for Luna. All right, and the other thing to keep in mind is that when everything runs up really hard, it needs to breathe. It needs to take a breath just as hard. Okay, so it did have its breather. All right. And right now what it's doing is it's catching its breath. All right, so what I mean by it had its breather is if we look right here, let me go ahead and click this. So if we look from the highs down to the lows right there, that was a 23.5% drop. And most likely you can go ahead and fact check me, but I'm pretty sure that this is when Bitcoin dropped. Okay, is whenever that happened. All right, and we've recovered nicely, and then it tried to sell off again with a bearish engulfing candlestick, but we are showing some more green right here, some signs of life. So, I would wait to enter any new positions on Luna if you do not have any. All right, what we need to do is keep our base support 63.49. And if you want to enter a new position on Luna for a trade, okay, not long-term positions, but for a trade, I would trade the breakout above 78.26, okay, and look for it to hit our resistance levels up here. All right. And resistance, when you're in a long position, is going to be what's known as a take profit zone. That's what I call it. Okay. Hey, you know what? We broke past 78.26 and we hit 85.55 and we're hitting resistance. I know we're going to hit resistance there. Let me take profit. Okay. So you can take profit at each one of these levels at 85.55, 93.25, 169, and then also 109.15. All right. Those are going to be all of our take profit zones. Make sure to take some profit at each one of these. You don't have to sell your whole position. All right. What you can do is okay, so let's say you play the break above 78.26. All right, you have, let's say, $1,000 worth. You come up, all right, you sell $250 worth right here at our first bullish price target. We face some resistance. We come back down. Okay, we recover. We hit our second bullish price target. You sell another 25% for profit, and we come back down. It breaks through support here, tries to find support, breaks through support. We bounce off our breakout level, and then come back up here, face some resistance, come back down. We don't go all the way back down. And then we come back up to the bullish price target, and we either blow through it or we come back down. Okay. So there's 4 levels to take profit on here. Okay. You're not a bad trader and you don't need to feel bad ever for taking profit. Okay. People put bad, there's like a bad sentiment these days. I don't know why. But for some reason, it's looked on negatively to sell for profit versus buy and hodl and bag hold and be red. I don't know why, but that is what's popular. Okay. Don't ask me why. Like I said, I just don't know. But that is the trend right now. I'm trying to break that trend. And what I'm trying to do is make established, consistent, profitable traders. Okay. And so this is how you can be consistent is you take profit along the way. And when things reverse, you have already sold profit. Okay. And if things come back down to where you entered at our breakout level at 78.26, you can close your position at break even on the whatever remaining position you have. And then you also already took profit along the way. Okay. So really, really important strategy for me. And I recommend it to others. Now, please, feel free to buy and hodl as long as you want, or feel free to short whatever you want. I'm just trying to give you guys some strategies. Okay. And some of the strategies that I use and the members in the Options Trading Tycoons Discord use. And these strategies consistently gave us profit. We consistently profit every day and every week in the Discord. And if you wanted to join the Discord, the link to join will be below in the description. Okay. You can use code Zachly, like the channel name, ZachlyTrades, and get yourself a discount on the membership as well.